Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sonia Holten. Today, let's go for walking in Brattvåg. Guys, Norway is one of the beautiful country in the world, so come and visit us here. And this is one of them. Why Norway is one of the beautiful country in the world? So guys, let's see the natural nature here in Norway. You can see this water inside the forest, down the mountains, and it takes us 5 kilometers to walk around this water. So guys, let's enjoy, relax, and watch my video. So guys, I didn't put any music because I want it naturally. So please support also my channel, Sonia Holten. Subscribe, like, and share, please guys. The salary that I got in my YouTube is I used to share to my barangay. It's for the senior citizen and kids feeding in my barangay, guys. So please help me. Thank you so much. Please enjoy. Don't forget to share, my loves. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is Sonia Holten. Welcome guys to the paradise of Brattvåg. Paradise of Brattvåg, guys. And super sarap siguro maligo dyan. Davi plus 2 kilometers no.